Hi guys, good afternoon once again, and how you all doing? My name is Blessing Chamako from Macari's Cakes and Pastries. Right here now, I'm here to teach you guys how I normally do my plain sugar syrup for cakes. What ends of sugar syrup is to make your cakes actually come out very very moist. To make it very very moist. For those that don't have dry cakes, the sugar syrup can actually make it to be moist. Sugar syrup is actually meant for cake slices. For those that sell cake slices, sugar syrup is very good for it. So it makes the cake, very moist. Like when they're eating, you feel that moist texture in the cake. And for those that probably or unfortunately or mistakenly that cake stay in the oven or too dry, the sugar syrup helps it to come out more. It wakes in the moistness of anyway. So another thing again is when applying your sugar syrup, you're just supposed to allow it to cake to be too soggy. Just have to like for this is my bottle as my sugar syrup. I just have to just put on the cake, just spray on the cake for more moistness. And the recipe I have here is just sugar and water. Some people use flavors anyway, but I don't use flavor. And some people or some bakers do complain that their customers actually do say their cakes are too sugary because of their sugar syrup. So for that aspect, I guess maybe probably the sugar is extremely much. But for my own part, its recipe is okay. I don't have much complaint. I've been using it for some time now. It's perfectly okay. And one thing good about that sugar syrup that is it stays longer. It will last. When you finish making it, put it inside your fridge. Nothing will happen to it. Like for instance, now this one here, I made it some wasn't like few months ago, between May June. I made this particular one, and I stored into a ever big bottle and I put it inside the fridge. So it has been there. This is actually the last one that I'm using. So I'm decided to show it to you so you can see that it's actually staying longer with the fridge. It's just sugar and water. So that's the main recipe. There are some cakes that have its own syrup, which is there's a chocolate syrup, there's a red velvet syrup, there's vanilla syrup, there's coconut cake syrup. But I don't use those ones. This one I use is because recipe for me, and the measurement for me is 2 cakes. So for those that have wrong measurements, that makes the cake or that makes the syrup to be too sweet, or that makes the cake to be too sweet, I think is your sugar. The sugar is actually much. So please note that sugar syrup or cake or syrup makes your cake to be more moist. Please note that you don't have to overcook it so your cakes will be soggy. Because when your cake is soggy, it just be a mess. You understand? So just give it a light spray and you're good to go. And note that also it also comes out well in cake slices. Okay. So for the recipe, it's just a simple thing anyway. We all know how sugar syrup is. A very simple something. My sugar is 2 cups of sugar, white sugar, melted sugar, and then my water is 4 cups of water. So when you boil this to the quantity is always small, so you can actually decide to increase. If you want to double the recipe, that means it's 8 cups and then 4 cups of sugar. So what I have on my table right now is 2 cups of sugar and then 4 cups of water. So this recipe is very very perfect for my cakes. So they have not been complaining about it. So the next thing I'm going to do is pour the sugar inside a pot. Then pour then you just need to lightly that is it. So that's why you pour the sugar and the water inside your pot. Then you put it on the hot plate or your gas cooker or anywhere for you to boil. You have to cover it when it's boiling. By the time it's boiling, you allow it to cool and then you transfer it to an airtight cover or a smooth bottle like this. You understand? So that's all about the sugar syrup. So when it's actually boiled, please make sure you pour in the container. So this one can actually fill something like this. When it's finished, then you keep on making another one. So it's very, very simple. It's very simple to make, but not all everybody has, you know, the right quantity or the right measurement of sugar. Because some customers complain that the sugar in the cake is too much. For those that put extra, so if you feel like working with this recipe, it's fine and good. This is the perfect recipe I've used for my sugar soup, and it's been amazing all this while. So when it's boiled, or when it's fully boiled and fully well cooked, transfer into your airtight container, and then your sugar syrup is ready. So understand what I mean by how I achieve my. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click on the on the red button, subscribe to it. Tell your friends about my Cakes YouTube channel. Invite your friends to subscribe. The thank you're gonna give to me is by what subscribing. So I hope to see you on my YouTube channel, guys, and trust me, more videos will be coming up on my YouTube channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, please subscribe. So have a beautiful day, guys. Guys, before I go, please, I forgot to show you how it is. This is the liquid. It has this kind of one lighter in between off-white and light brown or something. That's how the color is when it's actually fully boiled and well cooled. So this how it's just, you can see any atom of sugar into the water. So I'm gonna put it on my heat. Sorry, turning this off, and then so once again, the recipe again for this is 4 cups of water and 2 cups of sugar. So please don't forget, the sugar is the main issue here. So 2 cups of sugar and 4 cups of water, and this is how it's looking. So once this is cool, I'll just transfer it to my bottle, and then I'm good to go. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll be seeing you guys on my YouTube channel, I'll be seeing your views, I'll be seeing your subscription over there. So once again, thank you. Keep on subscribing and keep on inviting your friends to like my videos, and once again to subscribe. It's very important to me because it means a whole lot. So once again, thanks so much, and thanks for watching.